Well, today I am joined by three lovely ladies from the Florence Sylvester Senior Center. We have Cherie, Chris, and Sydney, who are here to talk to us about a lot of things that are coming up, which we're so excited. Yay, some activities. Well, welcome, ladies. Nice to see you all today.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
So Cherie, we've talked on and off throughout the last 7 months, and we've all had our struggles and here and there, but you guys have managed to do a lot of online stuff, so you were able to adapt quite well. And now you guys are going forward with a couple of things that are actually, in person and, obviously social distancing and masks, but tell me a little bit about, what's going on.
Well, first we have our flu shot clinic. That is going to be next Friday. That's Friday, October 30th from 1 to 3 p.m. We're asking for help with traffic control. So if your name starts with A through M, please come the first hour, and N through Z come the second hour. It's just the regular flu shot. It's free to anyone over the age of 18. So we're looking to see a
Yeah, we had the flyer. We've been talking about it. Lauren and Judy, I believe it was, they came on and they talked a lot about it as well, which is great. And I know you have lots of great sponsors. You've got a bunch of people who participated. They threw in stuff in a goodie bag. Tell me what's in the goodie bag. I want to know.
Oh, lots of fun tchotchkes. I mean, I think there's, pens and mints and lots of hand sanitizer. There's some PPE stuff in there. Just, fun things. Everybody gets a swag bag or a goodie bag with every flu shot given. Mm-hmm. Some tips for the flu shot is definitely wear a shirt that's we can access your arm. And then just make sure you're wearing a mask.
Right. And then I understand you're going to have somebody on both sides so you can just sort of drive through and you both just put your arms up and they just get your arm, right?
Yeah, we're trying to make it really easy and convenient for our seniors to come down, feel safe, and get their flu shot.
I love it. I think that's a really great idea. Now, given the fact that you've been closed for so long, you are there from 8 to 4 daily. Does that mean people can visit you or not at all?
Well, we try to keep our visiting for the grab and go, and that's a great transition. So we continue to do the senior meals through the grab and go program, where we give out healthy, nutritious meals to our seniors. We've been doing fun things like high five stick. We always have the table decorated. They can exchange puzzles and books and magazines, and it's a great way to just to communicate and say hi. Some seniors, they come down just once a week just to get that meal and just check in with us. So it's nice to see them. Of course, we're still socially making it safe for them, but it's really nice to see a lot of our seniors on a regular. Yeah,
okay. All right, that's great. And then another thing you've got coming up is a rummage sale, and that's going to be in November. What is that about?
Okay, so we just began accepting donations. That's on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 3. So the rummage sale is officially November 21st, Saturday, from 8 to 12. And the only thing we ask is it's a cash only event and no large furniture, please. But someone will be there. It's like a drive-through drop-off donation process. There's someone out there to help.
And what is the dates that you start accepting donations?
We started yesterday, so we're doing good so far.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this week was the start. Okay, good. All right, perfect. And then obviously you can do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 3, and then the actual sale is on November 21st. Okay, perfect. Right, where is it going to be? Is it going to be in your parking lot?
It's actually, we're going to bring it into the senior center in the multi-purpose room. We're going to set it up that way. We'll be, asking everybody if they're, if they're feeling well, come on in. It is a mass event again, and we'll only be letting a certain amount of people in at once.
Sure.
And then we'll again, we're all about the seniors. Safe.
Yeah, totally understandable for that. And then you have a newsletter that you are continuing to keep up with.
Yeah, we've reached about 200 seniors via email. So if you are interested in receiving the newsletter, I think that's the best way to communicate with us to learn what we're doing. There's lots of classes. Find the Classic new class. There's gardening, yoga, breathing, TX. And the best way to keep in touch with us is through that newsletter. Just contact me at my email address, but also our website. Our website has a virtual portal. Keep in touch with us. Give us a call. Send us a letter. Let us know how you feel. We love hearing.
All right, excellent. And then, Chris and Sydney, I know you guys have been waiting patiently to talk, so thank you so much. Tell me a little about the home delivered meals. Why is that different? I mean, grab and go obviously sounds like you go pick it up and then go, but what is home delivered? Is that Meals on Wheels?
Yes, Meals on Wheels is home delivered meals. We deliver 3 meals a day, a hot lunch, a cold breakfast, and a frozen dinner, all planned by a dietitian to their homes. And this eliminates them having to go out and be at risk in the stores. We have volunteers that deliver the meals. It's strictly done by volunteers, and we couldn't do it without them. So it's a wonderful program.
Okay.
And right now we're accepting anyone that calls that's over 60. There's really no definite requirements for it.
Okay. Now that's part of the Meals on Wheels. Did Great Plates get extended? Do you know?
Yes, it did. I don't know too much about that, but
Okay.
maybe Cherie could address that.
Okay.
It's only been extended till November 8th. So we always ask for them to check in with our website. There's always an update there. But as we know,
Yeah, it seems like it gets extended every month. So, I just wanted to double check
Yes.
to make sure because we haven't been talking about that lately. And I just wanted to make sure that did to get extended again. And then now, what's Knock and Drop? Is that kind of like a delivery service?
It's all part of the Meals on Wheels delivery. We are constantly updating our volunteers on, ways to deliver the meals that are safe for the recipients. They get to the door, they make themselves known, then they step back after they've set the food on a chair or a table by their door, step
Okay.
back and wait to be acknowledged. And they can chat from a safe distance if they want to, but yeah, we're trying our best to keep our seniors safe.
I know. And we have done a pretty good job considering the numbers. So good for you guys. Thank you for taking those things into consideration. Now, what else do we have here? A holiday giving tree. I can't even believe the holidays are here.
No.
So tell me about the holiday
talk
giving
about that.
tree.
Okay,
So
Sydney
we wanted
can tell you. Oh, excuse me.
We wanted to do something special for the seniors this year. We do something for them every year during the holidays, but we just wanted to make sure that this year, especially, everyone got some sort of gift. So we are accepting, we're asking for new blankets and or towel sets to be brought here to the senior center. And we've decided that the dates we want to have people drop those things off is November 2nd through December 11th. And that'll give us enough time to accept all those items and make sure that they're ready to go before the holidays.
Okay.
And we were thinking about having the time for that be obviously Monday through Friday while we're open between the hours of 10 a.m. and noon. That's the best time for us to accept things here at the center. Well, the best time for Chris and myself. And so we just really think it's important to make sure everyone is feels like they are recognized and they know that we're thinking of them and that we care about them, because we really do, and we haven't been able to go out and visit them regularly like we do. Normally we do visits twice a year and then phone calls twice a year.
Mhm.
But during all this, it's only been phone calls. So we've really been missing that contact with the seniors. So we just wanted them to know that they are so special to us, and we care about them, and we're thinking about them, and we want them to have a happy holiday season. So we thought this would be the perfect way to reach out to them.
I like that. That's
Yeah.
great. Now you might get an awful lot of blankets and towel sets. So are you going to be wrapping them all?
That's a good question.
Glad you're wrapping all those.
We want to be,
What's that?
to be able to make sure that it's what we've asked for, towel sets and blankets. But if people that are dropping them off want to take the initiative to maybe fold them nicely and put a nice bow on them, idea if we want to ask people to wrap or not.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good. I mean, it would be better. Just make sure that it's what you guys are looking for. So, all right, excellent. Anything else, ladies?
No, just keep in contact with us. Keep lines of communication open. Just know we're here for them. And, just give us a call. We're here from 8 to 4, Monday through Friday. Always something going on.
Yes, there is. Well, I'm glad you guys are staying busy. Thank you for all you do. And very nice to see you, Chris and Sydney and Cherie. We'll talk to you guys again. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back after this.